Progress means betterment, a positive change in the way we live. So, information takes the center stage in our lives. And information means awareness. Aware consumers make informed choices. That's why consumers are increasingly shifting to healthier food habits, and that's how consumers are adopting organic food. And that's where Nature Pearls comes in.
We in Nature Pearls are committed towards the financial well-being of our farming families. We are committed to the improvement of the environment and climate condition. In all our 6 projects location, we are conserving and we are improving the biodiversity. We are improving the flora and fauna. That is why we are able to achieve a sustainable farming.
At the forefront of the organic food production system, the company helps farmers in following good agriculture and handling practices to produce the best organic basmati grain. And this has been achieved by involving small farmers from different parts of the country who are the most important driving force in our endeavor. Today, our partners are 18,000 farming families covering 28,000 hectares of organic certified land in 6 states of the country. Mostly, the company works with small and marginal farmers. The agricultural yields of the farmers were low. Hence, their incomes were also low and they did not have any hopes of increasing incomes. But our methods and our policies changed their lives. Now, they get higher agricultural yields that give them higher incomes.
मैं नेचर पल्स के माध्यम से जुड़ा हूँ और जैविक खेती करने का मैं अनुभव रखता हूँ।
पहले हमारी खेती रासायनिक होती थी, तो उसमें अंग्रेजी खाद दवाई का प्रयोग किया जाता था। अब जब से कंपनी से जुड़े, हम जैविक में आ गए।
रासायनिक खेती जो करते हैं उसमें खर्चे ज़्यादा आते हैं, तो उस वजह से हम लोग जैविक खेती करते हैं और जैविक खेती का अच्छा सुझाव मिल रहा है। फ्री में हमारी नेचर पल्स कंपनी सुझाव दे रही है।
फार्मर्स का जब हमने सर्वे किया तो उनकी जो यील्ड थी और क्वालिटी थी वो बड़ी पुअर थी। फार्मर मेहनत तो कर रहा था लेकिन उसकी जो यील्ड और क्वालिटी प्रॉपर नहीं आ रही थी, तो हम लोगों ने पहले उनके सीड को चेंज करा क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट करने के लिए। उनके लिए ऑन फार्म इनपुट के लिए ट्रेनिंग्स दी।
हम लोग किसानों के साथ जाकर के उनके बीच में जाकर के किसानों को समझाते हैं, उनके रोग कीड़े के बारे में जानकारी देते हैं, खाद दवाई बनवाते हैं और उसके अलावा उनको हमारे आने पे वैसी भी नॉलेज हुई है कि पर्यावरण के क्या क्या लाभ हैं।
हमारी वायु प्रदूषण, जल प्रदूषण या हमारी मिट्टी को बचाव रखता है और उससे जो उगे हुए अनाज हैं जैविक खेती के, वो हम लोग जो खाते हैं तो हमारे शरीर के लिए भी बहुत लाभदायक है।
While doing our Reiki for the new project, we came across this area which we found has a huge potential because farming here was being done by small and marginal farmers having very small acreage. And in last 12 years, you can see that behind me there is a huge land parcel of organic farms where the farmers are growing basmati rice, pusa basmati rice and other non-basmati rice varieties. And we have seen lot of potential, lot of impact in this area. Post we took up this project and helped the farmer grow their production.
This collaboration and its success are fruits of our principles that we adopted when we started our journey.
We have the most modern organic rice processing, treatment, handling infrastructure in the country. Its blend is traceable from farmer to till consumer. The European organic system and 1000 kg packing is unique in the country.
Sustainability and value creation have been our core principles. Result: better health for consumers and higher profitability for farmers. We started our organic rice business in 2002. Within 1 year of our beginning, we became the leading exporter of organic rice from India. In 2014, the brand Nature Pearls was born. Now, we have diversified into the production of pulses, spices, millets, and ready-to-eat food. Our present production capacity is 200 metric tons per day, with in-process quality control of rice, paddy, and finished goods. We are the pioneers in adopting VQM technology of the Netherlands. This patented system is smart and is the most effective method to pack rice with high barrier liners under vacuum conditions, extending shelf life of products. Our initiatives have been recognized with prominent awards and accolades. Organic farming keeps the environment safe and the product's quality better. NPPL helps keep the environment and the underground water safe. Hence, our products are certified by prominent and international certification bodies.
With our consistent quality and efficient supply chain, we have been able to retain all our customers. We are currently supplying organic rice to more than 20 countries in the world and expanding. We are the associated partner of all biggest retailers and brands from India. I would like to say, give organic, love organic, become organic.
Now, we work with the vision to be the leader in organic and specialty food sector in the country, being sustainable and creating value